today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colossyan templates. If you're new to Colossyan, templates are the fastest way to build a polished video without starting from a blank canvas. They come pre-designed with layouts, color schemes, scene structures, and placeholders for text, media, and avatars, so you can focus on your message instead of design decisions. First, log into your Colossyan account. Use your regular credentials and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you're switching devices or teams, double-check that you're in the right workspace so your templates and brand assets appear as expected. A quick tip here, have your script, logos, and any key visuals handy. It makes the next step smoother because you'll be able to drop your content in right away. Next, click on Create New Video. This is your entry point to the template library. Think of it as choosing a blueprint for your video. You'll see a wide range of options for use cases like training, marketing, announcements, explainers, and more. Now select the template you want from the library. Browse by category or search by keyword to narrow things down. Look for a template that matches your tone and format needs, whether that's square for social, vertical for mobile, or widescreen for presentations. If a preview is available, take a moment to watch it so you can get a feel for pacing and scene flow. Check the scene count and the overall structure to ensure it accommodates your content length. If you're using an on-screen avatar, pick a template designed with an avatar frame so placement feels natural. If brand consistency matters, choose a template with design elements that sit close to your existing style. You'll spend less time tweaking later. After you select the template, Colossyan takes you to the editor where you can further customize everything. Replace placeholder text with your script and adjust headings to highlight key points. Swap images or videos with your own media or choose from stock options that fit your message. Update colors and fonts to align with your brand and keep contrast high so on-screen text is easy to read. If your template includes an avatar, you can change the character, adjust positioning, and select a voice that matches your audience and tone. Tweak scene timing for a comfortable reading pace, reorder scenes if your narrative flows better another way, and keep visuals consistent across slides. As you refine, watch short previews to confirm transitions and emphasis feel natural. And that's it, using Colossyan templates turns a blank idea into a structured, customizable video in minutes.